In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not discoverable on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if your Bluetooth is not discoverable on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any other devices cannot easily discover your Bluetooth to connect to it on your Windows computer, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first you want to do when you want to try to fix your Bluetooth not discoverable on a Windows computer is click on the start button, then come here and click on settings. Once you click on the settings, on the left side here, click on Bluetooth and devices. Then once you selected that, go ahead and turn on Bluetooth first. You see, Bluetooth is turned off. Go ahead and turn this on. This could be the reason why your Bluetooth is not discoverable. Then if you click on this menu, you should see the Bluetooth. And if it is still missing, let's proceed. Come here and click on Few More Devices. Then once you click on that, just scroll down like this until you get to Related Settings. Under Related Settings, click on More Bluetooth Settings. Then if you see this new tab opens, then here make sure allow Bluetooth device to find this PC is checked. So if this is not checked, make sure you check this. And then once that is checked, go ahead and click on apply. Then once you click on the apply button, go ahead and click on OK. Then once you click on the OK button, that pop will close, and then you should see your available Bluetooth here. Now once you've turned on those features, your Bluetooth will be discoverable on any device whenever you turn on the Bluetooth on your device. So this is how you can easily fix Bluetooth not discoverable on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.